Have you tasted white egusi pepper soup? Guys, let me show you how I prepared the soup, guys. Here are the meat that I'm using. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. This is meat called ishaki. I added it. I added meat, also goat meat. Added it inside. This is pepper and onions. Okay, guys, I see they hot. If today is the first time coming across my page, please follow and like and share, guys. So I added salt and maggi inside, as you can see on this video. After adding it, I have to add pepper soup seasoning. As you can see, I added a little. I'm still going to add the local pepper soup spices, guys. So this is ginger. I added ginger inside. After adding it, I have to turn it together as a wife material that I am. So guys, watch this video to the end. Don't forget to share. This is the process I used to cook my egusi pepper soup. So you can cook it just the way you like. Guys, if you test this my method, you will love it. So they rather now wife material. So guys, it's time to add water. So I added water inside. After added water, I add the dry fish inside, as you can see. So I turn it together so that it will cook very, very well. So after turning it, I have to cover it and leave it to cook. So guys, we are here to check it again. You can see that it's cooking very well. This is how you cook your egusi pepper soup. Oh. So guys, this is the local pepper soup spices. I added it inside, as you can see on this video. After adding it, I have to add water to it to cook. This is the water we are using to cook the soup itself. Oh God, no, if you haven't tasted this food, go and test it and come and thank me later. This is the egusi itself. I added it inside. After adding the egusi, I have to rinse it very well and pour it inside, as you can see on this video. After adding it, I have to turn it together as a wife material that I am. Who they run now wife material. It's time to cover it to cook, guys. Guys, share this video, watch this video to the end and see the process of how I finish this cooking. Love you all. Don't forget to like and share.
Lights on bright, apron tied, yeah, we cooking tonight. That flavor rising, feel that heat. Every little dish got a tasty beat. From the pot to the pan, hear the sizzle sing. Magic in the air, it's a flavor thing. Pop it, stir it, let the rhythm flow. In this kitchen, watch the magic grow. Oh, dash of love, pinch of soul. Every recipe makes you whole. Turn it up, let the good times glisten. Welcome to the place where everybody listens. Got that